Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pikmin on PC. Many fans want to revisit these beloved titles, and emulation makes it possible. You'll need two main components: an emulator, which is software that mimics a game console, and the game's digital file. It's a straightforward process that opens up a world of nostalgic fun. Just make sure your computer has enough power to run everything smoothly for the best experience. When it comes to playing Pikmin, the Dolphin emulator is your best friend. It's widely recognized for its superb performance with both GameCube and Wii games, which include all the main Pikmin entries. Dolphin provides many features, like improved graphics and controller support, making your experience even better than the original. Always download it directly from the official source to ensure you get the legitimate and safest version. Next, you'll need the Pikmin game file itself, often called a ROM or ISO. The most ethical way to get this is by converting your own physical game disc into a digital file. There are several tools available that can help you rip your GameCube or Wii discs. This ensures you legally own the game you are playing. Always remember to respect copyright and only play games you rightfully possess. With your emulator and game file ready, it's time to set up and play. First, configure your preferred controller within Dolphin. Many players use a modern gamepad. Then, tweak the graphics and audio settings to achieve your desired balance of performance and visual fidelity, perhaps even playing in high definition. Finally, load your Pikmin game file through the emulator, and you're all set to command your tiny plant-like friends on a grand adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.